Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Temu wishlist not working. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now, with that said, in order for you to fix your Temu wishlist, it's just simply go to your settings into your device. And from here, guys, just simply scroll down. And now, just simply tap on apps. And from here, guys, just simply scroll down again and try to find that Temu. So it is on letter T. So it will be on the bottom. And from here, just tap on the Temu app. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on storage. And from here, for the first one that you will do is just simply tap on clear cache down below over here. And once you have clear cache, you should be able to fix your wish list. But if it still doesn't work, try to go back here again and try tapping on a clear data over here. And from here, just simply tap on OK. And from there, guys, you'll be able to reset your Temu. And now, once you open the application, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.